Hey, Rod.
Oh, hey.
So how's your brother been doing? How's the twin been?
He's been doing really good, actually. Climbing up the ranks really fast. Getting to where I am in the agency, you know?
That's great to hear, man. Glad he's been doing good. But how have you been? I heard you recently got into an encounter with Silverfinger.
I've been doing okay, I guess, you know. Nothing too serious. Yeah.
Ah, well, that's a relief. You know, Silverfinger. Honestly, been bothering the agency for some time now. I mean, she's broken so many of our agents. Like, it's crazy. So anyway, how about some tunes?
Oh, how about that one song, All Star?
What? Are you 5? Do I do freaking Obama prison or Dr. Work? Those are, man, so many choices. Oh, what about that one song that's like, just song
Who are you?
I'm Agent Scott.
What are you doing here, Agent Scott?
I'm here to inform you of the location of Ryan Halpert.
So you sent some Agent Scott to spy? Did I catch you at a bad time?
No. You're fine. Come in. Take a seat. Take a seat. So, how's the arm after that whole Silverfinger encounter?
It's doing a lot better, actually. I'm glad we got her.
That's great to hear. Great to hear. So, moving on to business. The whole Agent Scott Bush scenario.
Yeah, what was that?
Well, we got a new mission for you, and that was fun to plan. Agent Scott hasn't been in the field for a long time.
Yeah, I can tell.
Guys, I have bad news.
What's wrong?
Creed, Ryan Halpert's brother, died in an accident with Silverfinger.
My gosh. That would explain why he's gone crazy and betrayed us. Alright, you guys are some of my best agents. You guys get out there, bring him down, do what's necessary. Save the world. More importantly, this agency. It brings me money. Now go! So, about that new mission I'm sending you guys. You watch out! Okay, now, hang on.
You're coming with me. You let my brother die. That's unforgivable.
He did it to himself.
Shut up. Close it.
Ah. Huh? Agent Janus?
You know he can't understand you, right?
What is he, dumb?
Yes. But actually, I brainwashed him. Along with your friend here, Agent Hawk.
Is that Mike? Mike Hawk? What are you doing here?
You see, I brought these two here to help me out. You know, I figured your agency is going downhill. I need to wipe you all out and start with a new one.
You know it's never gonna happen, right? I got the best agent on his way. Connor Scarn. When he gets here, he's gonna get his hands around you, and guess what? He's gonna have his hands on you.
I'm well aware he's on his way. Really think I'd be that stupid?
Yes.
Fair enough. Anyway.
I'll be ready.
Agent Scarn's on his way. We gotta plan something out. So here's what I'm thinking. You two go out there when he gets here, right? I don't doubt he's gonna have backup, so I'm gonna give you all the weapons you need, and I'm just gonna sit and watch you guys do whatever you're doing. I'm not gonna help whatsoever unless it's needed, which it better not be. Anyway, so does everybody got that? I think we got it. Let's go.
Agent Scarn, I got eyes on the director.
Let's go after him.
Come on, guys, you remember me, right? It's me, the director, Agent Hawk, Agent Janus. Remember the Christmas party? I was Santa Claus. I gave you presents, the fruitcake. Remember when we hit the albums, we dropped some real bangers. All right, great work, you guys. Now get me out of here, please.
Hope you've been okay in here.
You might want to turn around.
Excuse me. I knew you'd be here, Scarn. I'm not dumb.
Wait, where are you going?
All right, hands in the air, Ryan. Come easy. I don't want to have to do this.
I don't think so. You guys are real doomed, man. You thought you could defeat me, old man? Your time is up. It's time for the new age. Your agency sucks. Everybody dies. Nobody gets anything done. Look at your two colleagues over there. Dead in literally 2 seconds. Think. Think, Scarn. Think. Like, dude, like literally. Come on. Like, this is literally you. You're a clown. A joke. Come on, dude. Think about it. One.
Creed? Creed Halpert? I thought you were dead.
No. Somebody in the agency has been spreading false information. We need to get to the bottom of this, but we'll get to that later. We got some business to take care of. What have you become? What are you doing? I thought you were dead. I lost myself. Well, you lost me too. I no longer have a brother.